Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Alema Health Matters. Hey folks, ever heard of hydrogen water? Let me tell you why it's getting all the buzz. Hydrogen is one of nature's most potent antioxidants. It's tiny enough to penetrate your cells, reaching the nucleus and mitochondria, where it kicks out those nasty oxygen-free radicals. First up, hydrogen-rich water repairs metabolic functions. It boosts cellular metabolism, giving you more energy and better detoxification. It also enhances your immune system, making you more resilient to everyday stresses. And get this, hydrogen water reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation can cause all sorts of discomfort, but hydrogen water helps alleviate that, promoting long-term wellness. Plus, it detoxifies your body, flushing out toxins for optimal health and vitality. Suffer from allergies? Hydrogen water can balance your immune system, reducing allergic reactions. It also slows down the aging process by fighting oxidative stress, keeping you looking youthful and vibrant. Want to manage your weight better? Hydrogen water stimulates metabolism and helps maintain a healthy weight. And if you're after radiant skin, it improves elasticity, hydration, and gives you that youthful glow. So how do you use it? Aim to drink 1.5 to 2 liters daily. Keep it at room temperature, around 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. Drink it 6 to 8 times a day, with each glass being 150 to 200 milliliters. All right, folks, that's the lowdown on hydrogen water. Drink up and feel the benefits. Catch you next time.